Have you ever heard someone say, "That's an interesting choice. I'll let you go now. Good for you." Do you think they're being polite? No, they're actually being rude, but they want to sound polite. English speakers are famous for not saying exactly what they mean. We are masters of disguise when it comes to rudeness. You might think someone's being nice when they're actually calling you an idiot. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 polite phrases that secretly mean something rude. Let's go. Bless your heart. It feels like a hug, right? But in parts of southern US, it actually means, "You poor fool." You thought Paris was in Italy? Ah, bless your heart. They're not blessing you. They're insulting you. They're insulting your intelligence, but in a way that makes it impossible to get angry. With all due respect. When someone starts with all due respect, prepare yourself. Disrespect is coming. It's the polite way to say, "You're wrong, but I'm pretending to be nice about it." With all due respect, your idea makes no sense whatsoever. Translation, you're wrong and I'm smarter. In my case, that's not true, but you know what I mean. That's an interesting choice. Interesting is one of those words that can mean anything. When someone says, "That's an interesting choice," they're not complimenting you. They're judging you. "You're wearing socks with sandals? That's an interesting choice." Translation, you look ridiculous. I'll let you go now. This one's classic British politeness. I'll let you go now. Sounds thoughtful, like you're freeing the other person up from their time. But really it means, I've had enough of this conversation. Please go away. Example. Well, lovely chatting, but I'll let you go now. Translation. Please stop talking. Good for you. Now, sometimes good for you can be genuine, but often it's very passive-aggressive jealousy. Oh, you're doing a juice cleanse. Good for you. Translation. That sounds awful and I do not care. I'm not being funny, but in British English, this phrase always comes before something insulting. I'm not being funny, but means I'm about to be funny, and by funny, I mean rude. I'm not being funny, but your haircut looks like your mum did it with garden shears. If someone says this, brace yourself for something insulting. No offence, but. Very similar to the last one. When someone says, no offence, offence is definitely coming. No offence, but you look tired. Translation, you look terrible. Pro tip, if you start a sentence with no offence, you're probably about to be offensive. No offence, but 100% offensive. We should catch up sometime. This is the ultimate fake friend phrase. We should catch up sometime. Sounds friendly, but it usually means, I hope we never see each other ever again. Oh wow, it's been ages. We should catch up sometime. No, they will never call you, or if it's you, you will never call them. Both people walk away, waving, never turning back. That's brave. This is one of my personal favourites. That's brave. Sounds supportive. But it's actually British for, that's a terrible idea. You're wearing green neon socks to a funeral? That's brave. Translation. That's insane. But I'm too polite to say it. Polite, smile, hiding internal horror. That's brave. I'll think about it. Whenever someone says, I'll think about it, they're not going to think about it, they are not thinking about it, they will never think about it, ever. It's the polite way to say, no. Do you want to join my 5-hour meditation retreat? I'll think about it. Absolutely not. They will never think about it. They've even forgotten about it already. So why do English speakers do this? It's all about avoiding conflict. We don't like sounding rude, so we use polite words to soften the blow. It's like social camouflage, a way to stay nice while still getting your message across. It's great for avoiding arguments, but it can be very confusing for English learners. And because you've watched the video this far, I'm going to give you one more bonus tip. But you have to use an idiom, read between the lines for the meaning, because I'm not going to tell you what the meaning is. You have to guess. If you want to call someone a very rude name, a horrible name, but you want to avoid conflict, you can say, see you next Tuesday. What do you think it means? I'm not going to tell you. So next time someone says, that's interesting, bless your heart, listen carefully. Are they being nice or politely destroying you? Listen to those little hidden meanings that help you understand real English conversations. The ones where tone and culture matter. So thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please hit the like button. Consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any future videos. 85% of you watch my videos but don't subscribe. My videos aren't that bad. Come on, guys, hit the subscribe button. Tell me what videos you want to make. And if you would like to see another one, click this pop-up box right here and watch another video. And until next time, be safe. See you later.